Hi everybody, welcome to ISA's Product Spotlight. This is Nick Dumeyer. Today we're going to kind of discuss some replacement options for PAD-2 power supplies from Siemens. Let's take a look. I'm back here in our lab. This is our mock setup system. This is actually a power supply board that will actually work in the Siemens PAD-2s. Now, there's two different versions of the PAD-2, and the way to decide which version you have to actually open it up. There's actually going to be a little sticker on the board. Now on the board itself, it'll either say it's a 5395 or it might be a 5495. So you want to make sure when you're trying to order a replacement for that, you look at the sticker, let your account manager know which version you have, and by that point we can kind of look it up, see what's available, how quickly we can get one to you, things of that nature. So if you have questions on the PAD-2, contact your account manager and we'll be glad to help. This is Nick Dumeyer. Take care, and we'll talk to you again soon.